Let's start to see how it works. Here we have one Arduino Uno R3, and then the Arduino TV, the yellow one, and one breadboard prepared with the push button and just a resistor. A very simple and basic Arduino example of push button prepared. Then we have just here we have the HDMI cable connected to the television and one USB connected to the television as well to provide the power supply for Arduino. So here we have the power supply for Arduino, in this case just power supply from television with a normal USB, and this is the HDMI. Okay, here are all the three boards packed one over the other. And so in the order we have Arduino Uno and Arduino TV and the small breadboard prepared. Arduino Uno is loaded with the button timer example that you can find on the website. Okay, here you can see the output of the push button timer example that you can find on the website. And this is our assembly with Arduino Uno, Arduino TV and the breadboard prepared with the push button. So now what we can do is just push the button, and you see that the timer is started and it will expire in 3, 2, 1, 0. And it's expired. So this is the simple application example. Of course, we can restart. Yes, it's restarted. And then we can push again to have another counting. Yeah, that's simple example. If you need to have some output on television or monitor or displays.